So we have BA Primary Education. And these are your courses for the first semester. You can see they are up to 2 credit units. That summed up to 18 credit units for this semester. We have a total of 24 maximum for the semester. So here you have 18 and about 4 left or unused credit unit. For each credit, 2 credit units, you'll be paying 2,000 for the course material or for the textbook. 3 credits is 2,500. Unless it's a project. If it's a project or teaching practice or whatever, it will be 10,000. There are separate specific fees for different courses. So we have exam fee of 1,000 per course. It's flat for all undergraduate programs. It's 1,000. Okay, so if you add course material fee or course registration fee, as it is known generally, course registration fee plus exam fee will give you these totals here, which sums up to 27,000. Your first compulsory fee is 36,000 naira. But from future semesters it becomes 18,000. And from second semester onwards, it becomes 18,000 per semester. You pay it before you register these courses. So put them together, 27 plus 36, you will be paying 63,000 in total for the first semester, 100 level. The second semester, 100 level, you have these courses, though there are many, but only a 21 credit unit is required of you here, which means about 2 courses. You may not need to register 2 courses at all. You may not. And in the end, you look at the 3 credit units is 2,500. Put them together and sum all this up, you'll be paying 57,500. Then if you remove one course or 2 courses, which will be 57,500 minus about 6,000, and that becomes your fee. So your second semester compulsory fee is now 80,000 as 100 level second semester. Then 200 level first semester. These are your courses, though there are also many. You may ignore one of these courses, but if you register all of them and fail one, it's also an advantage. You may not have to rewrite it. That's it, you just let go. Then here are your courses as usual, well calculated, with 18,000 compulsory fee. Then if you came into direct entry, that's what you see is DE. You must offer a course called GST 107. So while regular students will be taking 20 credit units from these courses, as a DE student you will be taking 22 due to the addition of this course GST 107. So you sum this up, you'll be having 51,000 as your fee for 200 level first semester. Then 200 level second semester, you have these fees, these courses to offer. All of them you are expected to pass on. That's why you see 18 of 18. It's a flat fee because of the credit unit as well being the same all through. You pay the same for the textbooks, the same 2,000, and then course for exams you also pay 1,000. Sum them up with 18,000 compulsory fee, you'll be having 45,000 as a fee. So if you had any carryover from previous semester, this is a good place to bring them in or eat in like one course. There's no reason to have so much carryovers unless there are circumstances that could have caused them. Then 300 level first semester, you can see there are 15 credit units. which included a teaching practice, even though it's the 3 credit units is 10,000, but no exam registrations because it's not examinable. You don't write an exam for it. There is a project. So you have your compulsory fee of 18,000 plus the total fees for the course registration and the exams. Put them together, 28. Add them up, you have 46,000 as your fee for 300 level first semester. Then 300 level second semester. You have these courses to offer and you are expected to pass all of them. It's flat 2 credit units, the same 2,000 for the course registration and course material fees, except this post-teaching practice evaluation, which is not examinable. It's not examinable, so you put them together, add the costs together, you have with compulsory fee of 18,000, you have 41,000 as your fee for 300 level first semester. Then we have 400 level first semester, and these are your courses, which includes a second teaching practice. Teaching practice is done twice in education courses. I don't think there's any one that is done once, it's twice. All of them. One at 300 level, one at 400 level. In the end, you still do your project. Yeah. So add this together, you have 49,000 as your fee. You are expected to pass all of this. Then your last semester, 400 level second semester, these are your courses. With your research project, it's 4 units. 15,000 is the standard cost of registering projects in NOUN. All final year projects is 15,000. Even if the unit is 2, although there's none. I have not seen anyone that is 2. Just 4 or 6. So put all this together, you have 57,000 as your fee, as your final fee, your last fee here. So and all this you are expected to, even though the total credit unit is carried, if you register all of them, will be 180 credit units. Then out of the 180, you are expected to pass at least 170. And once you've reached that 170, your certificate is a guarantee, it will be given to you. But if you came into direct entry, you are expected to make up to 135 credit units for you to earn a degree in this program. So this is it.